This is an electromagnetic tester, which is super effective if you're looking to measure electromagnetic intensity in the 5 to 3500 megahertz range. It's as simple as turning it on. The indicator on the wand here is the battery level. It'll either be green, yellow, or red. And now you can switch through or toggle through a few different sensors. It'll test electromagnetic intensity, it'll detect the range, and it'll also detect temperature, which can be very useful in determining if an EMF source or where the EMF source might be coming from. It's pretty easy to use the intuitive controls, and it's a fairly sensitive device. Gets lots of great reviews and is effective for lots of different uses. We hope this helps.